Okay. Getting a lot of bad feedback on the comments. Look, I mean, if you think you can do a little bit better than me, then I wish that I would have seen your videos and I would have never ordered these thumb drives. But man, come on now. Tell me where I'm misleading anybody. We're going to watch this video together. Here's my thumbnail. Are they any good? 16 terabyte, and then the 8 terabyte that's on its way to me. Okay. Actually, I got the 4 terabyte. Excuse me. I got the 4 terabyte on the way to me. If the 4 terabytes any good, I'm going to buy 8 of these 8 terabytes. Let's go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and put on some volume here. How are we doing, YouTube? I'm Thomas of Tomology. I got another package from AliExpress. So I'm not leading nobody on right now. I am literally unbagging these right here, right, you know, in this video. Unbox and see what they do, and we're gonna see the speeds. And my little intro to do a review on like a month or so ago. And now that cable is like $45. These right here are supposed to be the same type of quality for like $4 on AliExpress. So we're gonna see. Talk about the cables, right? The Hagibis cables. What's going on with my they do what they're supposed to do. They're fast. But anyways, I spent about $24. So I got a bunch of these 2 terabyte thumb drives, and I got a 16 terabyte one. So here's the 16 terabyte. Again, they are USB A on one side. So here, let me. So it's like the got the Elgato, capture card, cam link. So it's running around here somewhere. Basically, I want it for the phones around. Still got it right here for extra footages. So I have my camera I'm on right now. Again, this is my third video on this because I did the I have an iPhone video as well. Android phones. I want to be able to use the 4K camera from them, or even if the 1080 is really, really clean, use the 1080 from them. So we're gonna test this in this video. These things are small. So it's a Lenovo. And then again, the other one I have for this one right here. So I'm look at that. Yeah, I'm skimming through. So look, I plug it up. It clearly shows. Put the next one in. Clearly shows 2 terabytes. Okay. Here's the next one. 2 terabytes. Clearly shows 2 terabytes. Wow. Regardless that they want them turning out to be scammed, regardless, I did not lie to nobody. I ain't said nothing bad about nobody here. That's fast. I heard it. It clicked. So again, the other one took a little bit longer to register. There it goes. 2 terabytes, 1.89. But look at them. They're all reading that 1.89. Every single one of them is. So now how fast are they? 15.2 terabytes. And then there's the 16 terabyte, and it's reading 15.2. Let's go ahead and go back right there. Now, how fast are they? 15.2 TB, 1.8 TB. Now, these up here are my Western Digitals. All three of these are Western Digitals SN850Xs. They're reading the same. The only thing different is 1.81 versus 1.89. 15.2 terabytes in a thumb drive. Terabyte one. Drive, look at that. So, and then hear me going through the speeds. Like 6 gigs of information right now. Yes, it's not as fast as 3.0 or 3.1. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So, I mean, yes, the speeds are more of a USB 1 to USB 2. That's a no-brainer for the two. I think the max I ever got on any of them was 17 or 18 megabits per second. Which I already should have probably did before I did anything. We're going to go ahead and we're going to format these just in case there's any malware or anything that they have on their stuff. So this is a 2 gig thumb drive. Same thing. I'm going to take the Fortnite and I'm going to transfer it over. Well, let's
Real
open it
video
first.
I'm putting on here, nothing
Transfer.
fake.
Remember, it's 2.66 gigs. So this one seems to be going faster, but it's only showing 10, 11, 14,
So
21.
22 or 23
So we
was
get
the highest I
21
got. There we go,
megabits
21.
per second. I mean, it's actually, for me, it's going pretty quick. So next up, we have. Uh, so we
You
did
know,
the
that's what I like
16
about the
terabyte.
power
We did
of
the
some of the
16 right there.
reviews, you know,
We did
don't want them on there.
this
One
little guy
guy
right
that I
here.
want to blocking on
Now
here,
again,
he was talking
these
about how
I can use the USB-C on all
I'm
these,
scamming and putting everything about
but not
monetizing here.
everybody's gonna have
There's nothing
USB-C.
about
So I am going
monetization
to
at all.
just put this into the
If I
computer
ever say anything is I'm not monetized. I
and
don't care if I become monetized or
again, I already
get
showed y'all that
sponsored
it
by
does
these
pull up as
companies.
2
I
terabytes.
think that
So
honest
again, we'll
reviews
open
need to
this
be
one,
put out
and
here for
that is
everyone.
that the
You
me?
know,
Yeah,
a
that's
lot
the
of people want to
me.
throw them nasty comment.
So
Don't get me
I'm
wrong.
gonna
I'm not
take
butthurt over it.
Fortnite. Again, we're gonna
But
put it over here.
you're trying to tell me that I
So it
did
started
something that
at
I didn't
3,
do? I'm going to
6,
prove it. I want to go
7.
right here and we're going to go through it.
So we're at 7 megabytes. So it's a little
I'm a
slower,
very
but
honest
again, it's still.
person. I actually should
If
name
someone
my
just uses
channel
it just
Thomas
for
the
their
Honest
music,
because I literally
this right here would be
everything
really,
is
really good.
honest.
Transferring, copying, it's saying 6 minutes where the SanDisk said 2 minutes. So we know we got some good copies. I know
So
these are
that one
slower, so I
worked.
really don't want to
Everything
use
worked. Everything that I showed, it
crystal disk
worked.
image because I do know that
Now, as we
it
see
will
from the
be
second video I
it'll
already
take
posted,
a minute because I think these only have a
obviously it was a
25
scam
transfer,
because I mean
25 megabits.
they're only
So now
32
I put the
gigs.
Lenovo
That's up in
in
this little
there,
thing.
and again I'm waiting on it to boot up right now. Okay, there it is. So this PC, see this 2 terabytes. So now I'm going to take the same Fortnite game that I have here, and
Same
now
test.
even though it
I
took
don't I
longer to
don't
boot, I'm getting higher speeds right out
deviate
the
from what
gate
tests I do.
at 12
Everything
to
is still the
14.
same.
And now I'm at 3 minutes instead of 6 minutes on the other
Some
one.
of them wrote faster, some of them did not.
So I think that's really, really, really good. I think for a no brainer, um, honestly, no brainer on thumb drives. I mean, again, I only paid $20. So this 16 terabyte was only like $4. It was $3.88 or something on AliExpress. USB A and USB C.
It was actually
Yes, it is
$4.58.
slow. Slower. Actually, did I even do this
And yes,
one?
that thing
Did
only
I even
come
try to
with this
transfer
little
anything?
blank chip in it.
I think I did.
No
Yeah,
writing,
I
and it
did.
was only
Uh,
29,
so and
registered
then add
29.
the two, and they're identical. It's just one is me and one is Lenovo, but the colors, everything, the shape, everything is identical on these. But the Lenovo goes about 8 or 9 megabits faster.
So I'm
The
still
me
kind of
showed
lost
that it was going
on.
to be 6 minutes to
I'm
transfer.
watching at the same time.
The
I'm kind of lost
Lenovo
on
showed
where
it
I'm
was only
telling
going to be three
people
minute transfer.
something's not correct
And
here
then of
or what it
course
is.
this one right here was one of the fastest one out of them.
And
Again,
that's the
it's
only
the
one that
me.
actually worked,
I
and
just
that
wanted
really
to
is
get
two
different
two
ones. This one
terabyte.
also, like I said,
So,
came with
and
the
that still was
USB-C
only
on it.
$4. It
They
just
all
has
do
a little
come with
thing
their own
whenever you
little
plug it in.
keychains.
It
If
wants
you
you
do want to
to
carry this around with you, I don't
scan and
suggest you doing
repair.
it
If you
unless
try
you
to
go
scan and
find
repair, it
a
doesn't scan and
cap
repair.
for
You just got to
these.
hit
If you don't have a cap,
don't repair,
don't
and
do
then
it.
you can get to your files.
They just come in some little bitty bags. I don't even think they're anti-static.
Telling you that they come in
So
non
again,
anti-static
keychains
bags.
in there. All of them come with a keychain.
Keychains. What's so bad about
Uh,
this?
Again, like I said, I got two of the Hagibis
There's the cables.
cables.
They work.
Pull
They
it out.
transfer.
It says USB-C to USB-C, 240-watt fast charge. So here it is right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect it to my phone,
Oh, I'm just
and I'm
lost to
gonna
some of
see how
those
fast
reviews there.
that
Actually,
Fortnite
I'm
I
gonna
can
grab my
transfer to my
phone.
phone. Main screen. All right, so here we got it right here. Here's my internal to my phone. DCM, camera, everything I have here. Let that boot up. And then we go back to my folder with Fortnite. So I'm going to transfer
Oh,
Fortnite
waiting
over
on
there
where I
to it.
lied or where I'm scamming people.
So it's not giving me how fast it's going, but I mean,
Not
it's going
scamming off of
pretty freaking
nobody.
quick. So I
Now,
don't
in my
see the
descriptions
40
down below,
gigabit or anything
yeah, I
like
put
that
my
on
affiliate
here,
links down there.
but
I got affiliate
it's
links to
transferring at
Amazon.
a
things that are on sale,
a
things
heck
that
of a
I
speed
use,
here. I mean, it's
every
transferring
product
pretty
that
fast.
I try to
You gotta
review.
figure this is
Now
almost a 3 gig
AliExpress I
file,
don't.
and it says 4 minutes. There's just no way. So
I grabbed my phone real
I
quick because
know
it's
that it's not
240-watt
8K, video. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that. Stop it. I don't want it on there.
charger.
So either or, I needed a couple cables. I do want to make sure that I
And
am
let me
getting the
see if
ones
I can
that
get
can
it up
take
on the camera real
images as
quick.
well, for the simple fact of
Unplug it again.
people
Plug
want
it
to
back
use
in.
these cables on their phones
See
to
that
get that
green ring?
image through
That
it.
means
And if
that
you
I'm
get the ones
getting the
with the image
280
through it,
watts out of
a
it.
lot of people don't know and
Means I got the
realize, then
super
that means
fast
you don't
charge
need a
going
capture
on.
card. You can start using it, especially
And
when we
then
get the
there
new
again, here we talking
Windows.
about the capture card. This thing
What
does
is
good
it?
for 1080.
H2 or
At least for me. If someone's just trying to start
H324
out, or
or
you're trying
H224,
to,
something like
your
that.
kid wants to
But
start streaming his
we're going to
video
be able to start
games,
using
you
our
can
phones as
start with
webcams
something like
just through
this
Windows
for
itself, up to
$4.
your 4K resolution.
Oh
So,
whoa, what's this on top
all
of the
right,
screen over
next up is
here?
going to be
My
the
dash
capture
cam's up
card.
here. Oh no, I put a link to
I
something
mean,
else in here. Move
let's
it
do it
down that
side
way they
by
come
side
up.
as much as we can with
Look,
the
not a bad
phone.
image. I didn't lie about it. Perfect
Let
1080.
me go and zoom
What
out.
else we got going?
Bucks. I think the most
I mean, heck, get
device,
back to that
and
side view there with
colors
it.
are different. I can see that for sure.
So the colors are a little different off right here. This one here has a little bit more to it. In a way, the 1080 actually brings my hair follicles out more.
So
At least
I
it
do like
damn
the
sure pulled
colors
out
kind of
that
on
little pimple
the
bump that I
capture
had from
device. Go
shaving.
ahead and take that out. So yeah, I didn't see nothing wrong with that. And again, this one right here, this was only $3 on AliExpress or
Yep,
AliExpress, however
three
you want to say it.
bucks.
This was only $3. 88 or 3 um Xiaomi is what that one is called. Let's see here if I can get it to do.
So hear me, I'm showing how
It's
much
called
it
a
was.
Xiaomi.
357 for it.
So it was 357
But now,
for
yes,
it.
now we look at the reviews on there. Over 3,000 reviews at 4.4.
So
I
yeah,
mean,
I mean altogether. So if
for
I go
my
back
first order of
through,
ordering something
mine
like that,
says actually I
I was
paid
giving my honest review.
356
Most of them reviews are probably
for
China.
a
A lot
3,
of people probably don't
and
realize that it's
then
rewriting. I didn't know it was
0.1, and
rewriting
maybe
over it.
it'll
But again, there's
Z.
nothing in here that is scammy.
Of it.
I'm not a
So here
scammer.
it is. It
So
was
now this right
$33
here,
that
though,
locked, and
this will
I'm
be here
really,
next
really
week.
ready to
Now
try
this one
out.
here, I'll be
They
pretty
call it the 990
PO'd
Pro.
how bad this one is.
I know that it's not a 990 Pro, but I did get the 4 terabyte.
It's supposed to be a Samsung 990 knockoff. So 4 terabyte 990 VNAND. Again, it's supposed to. Do I show the reason rights
So
here in a
here it
sec? I
is.
believe
It
I
was
do.
$33. That is the price for it. And they are forecasting this thing to read and write speeds.
Look at that, 10,000. Which we already know that that's not true. I mean, you're getting that off of Gen 5 speeds if you have the right motherboard. I have two Gen 5s in mine, and I don't get them because thought my motherboard was capable. It's capable of the PCI Express 16 at 5 times, but not there. But anyways, if it's at 7,000 read and at least 6,000 write, I will be buying more of these. Oh, excuse me. I'll be buying a lot more of these.
And they
There's
go
no
all the way up to
lie
8
or no
terabytes.
scam
So
whatsoever that I have
if
done in
this
this
is the
video.
case, if this 4 terabyte comes in and it does do what it says it's supposed to do, I'm 100% going to buy me probably 4 of these little bad boys, these 8 terabytes, for the same price as a 2 terabyte here in the US. This is 8 terabytes. This is double its size.
Yeah, now this really would have worked, and this 16 gig, or excuse me, 16 terabyte would have worked versus my 8 terabyte Seagate right here. That would have been one heck of a deal. Obviously, if you watch the other video, it's not the case. So let me go ahead, turn that off. Look, I want to know. Leave comments down below, and I'm not just wanting the comments to have that on my videos. Leave comments down below where I'm scamming anyone, I'm trying to get anything from anyone, anything that was in this video, I don't even have affiliate links to. None of it's on Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate link. Ooh, whoopie doo. A lot of us are out here. That's how we're trying to make money. What I made Amazon over 5 grand and I've made $48 so far. Woo! That's paying my bills. Or that's paying my bills, right? I'm not monetized, not nothing. Again, I have a video out there with me just talking about why I don't care if I'm monetized. I'm here to give honest reviews. So yes, I open this up, my first impression, plugging it up, doing what I do, what anybody else would do, and it's like bam, they worked. Now, all the comments on there, that made me start questioning things. So now that it was questioned, then it was time to take apart. Tear them down into pieces. Little be pieces everywhere. Take this one apart. This is the one that was the 16 terabyte. Now, all it is a memory card reader, and the memory card they had in here was a 29 gig. I threw my 512 in there if you watched the last video. And you know what? This right here is my new thumb drive. And I will be looking, and I will be looking on AliExpress for these micro SD cards for to make this right here. I have one 512 coming in that's supposedly Sony. We'll see next week when the M.2 comes in. Both of them be coming in. Man, don't go around trying to tell people they're scamming and trying to make someone look bad because you don't have the balls to come out here and put your face and put your stuff on here. Don't go try to turn around on somebody else, even if you know better or it's already happened to you. Well, if it happened to you, then you should have made a video and told people that these are scams and should have did a breakdown like I did and showed us. And then you know what? We wouldn't have bought them. I wouldn't have bought them if I would have known this. That's just my honest opinion right there. That's my ology. That's why I'm Thomas with Tomology. Catch y'all on the next one.